Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change wordings and labels in Shopify. Let's get started. So as you can see right now, this is my Shopify website. So if I head over and click on the search bar right here, as you can see, this only says search right here. So this is one example of wording and label that we can change. So in order to change this, what we can do is we can head over to our Shopify dashboard. And then as you can see, we have here our themes under the online store right here. Now let's click on this three dots right here. And in here you can see this edit default theme content. Now click on that. And then from in here you should be able to see this new page that will load. So here's the general page. Now you can just scroll down from in there until you can see the option for search. So here's search right here, but there's also a lot of things like for example pagination, general, as well as this social links and social alt text, and also all of these things right here. Like for example, if you want to change the alt text for your Facebook or Twitter or Pinterest, you can change that from here. But for now, let's head over and change what it says on our search bar. So we have here the search. So for example, say something like search your thoughts. So say something like that. Then after that, click on the save button right here. And as you can see, this will save the progress of our actual theme. Now, what we can do is we can head over to our page right here. Now, let's refresh this. And once it's been refreshed, let's click on this search icon again. And as you can see, the search your thoughts has been updated on our search bar world label. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.